Dave Shoki here with the Twin Home Experts. We're here at a commercial building that's been shut down because of a massive sewer odor. In fact, so bad that customers were walking out. They've had plumbers, handymen, they've had all kinds of experts who come in and try to identify where the source is. So they've hired the Twin Home Experts on the hunt for this sewer odor. So come on for the ride. That are getting that strong sewer gas smell. This kitchen area and this area right here. So what we're going to do is focus on the vent system and inject the smoke into this area right here. Once we do that, we're going to walk this area and see if we get any smoke coming through the walls or up these floors right here. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm right above that office and kitchen area. This is the vent that's directly above it, so I'm going to utilize this so we can directly get it into that area. As you can see, I've got my smoke pumping out, so let's put it inside here. Now I've got my brother downstairs to verify if we're getting anything through the floors or walls. All right, guys, to verify that we're getting smoke in the interior of the space, as you can see the smoke coming through, so that's an indication that we do have smoke inside the vent system in the walls. As you can see, we pulled out a massive amount of debris here. Alright guys, we've ruled out that it's not internally or a sewer issue under the ground in the wall. We've got these paraffin walls. Today is a little windy, so but this is getting us zeroing in on this air conditioning because sewer gases are displacing, hovering here, and then sucking into this return here, and then displacing out into the restaurant. All right, folks, you can see the smoke in the air, and what we've determined that the sewer gases are coming through the ventilation system. So it's neither a break or a P-trap or a floor drain issue. It's going to be more of sewer gases that are trapped above the roof area. And with all this ventilation, air conditioning, swamp coolers, what's happening is it's pulling those sewer gases into this workplace here. So what we're going to do now to verify that we're correct is we're going to deal with the roofing ventilation system using maybe some carbon media or extend the roof vents away from these air conditioning units. Air conditioning guy, Josh out, and Josh has an awesome explanation that we'd like to share with you. Josh?
Yeah, some of the things that we typically find is when the AC company comes in to replace that package unit, they typically try and upsize it to provide more cooling for your unit. And with that, if they don't upsize your ductwork, they put a larger fresh air intake system on the unit outside that draws in more fresh air from the rooftop that could allow more odors or outdoor temperature that actually affects the cooling of the unit itself to come inside the dwelling.
So it totally makes sense. If you have high-pitched paraffin walls enclosing that space, especially on a hot day, sewer gases are emanating up out of the vents. It's stagnant. That larger fresh indoor intake from that air conditioning could be pulling it in. I think that's what we found. So we're going to go ahead and verify that. We're also going to do an enzyme treatment to the entire sewer because check this out. We found some massive compaction. All right, guys. So you can see that there's a lot of compaction in the sewer system. And this, again, is not allowing the sewer gases to flow out properly. So enzyme treatment and a hydrojet on your sewer system is a huge importance of eliminating sewer. All right, folks, as you can see, we've put in some temporary ventilation above the parapet walls, more importantly, away from this stagnant roof area here. So what we're gonna do is allow this for about 2 to 3 days to cycle through to make sure and confirm that we've stopped and solved the sewer odor issue. There you have it. With the right technology and the right skill set, we were able to find that sewer odor. Hey, if you like this video, give us thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button.